po jako akawuwo.
These emergencies and the people affected by them cannot be left out.
Ekibiina ky'amawanga amagatte nga kiyita mu ttabi lyakyo eri Uganda kitongozza kawefube wokunonyeza obuyambi bw'ensimbi eziri eyo mu bukadde 316 okusobola okuyamba ku bantu abakosedwa embeera y'ekirwadde kino COVID-19.
COVID-19 puts all of us at risk, and it requires an urgent and robust response, including through the intensification of surveillance, detection, and containment measures. The necessary restrictions on movement are impacting both people's ability to access basic services.
Bino bitongozeddwa akulira ekitongole kino mu Uganda, Losa Maronge ncha ya leero mu Kampala.
The United Nations, in partnership with the government of Uganda, NGOs, and I want to highlight that we are really proud of the fact we have 11 national NGOs part of this appeal, as well as the Uganda Red Cross. We are here to present a multi-sectoral plan. The UN emergency appeal will target 12.8 million people, among the most vulnerable.
Ono bw'ati akubiriza ab'ebitongole by'obwannakyewa byonna ebiri mu ggwanga wamu n'ebweru waali okuvaayo bakwatire wamu ensonga eno nga lwe bajja okusobola okutuukiriza ekigendererwa kyabwe.
The only way we can combat COVID-19 is together. So today we stand here to present this appeal and the participating organizations who are in it. We hope that you will contribute by increasing awareness of the work being done through this appeal. We invite our partners to invest in this appeal as it enables us to scale up our support to the government and the people of Uganda.
Eno Minisita owaguno naguli mu ofiisi ya Ssaabaminisita Mary Karolo Krutu gyasinzidde n'asanyukira enteekateeka eno era bw'atyo n'ayongera okukuba omulanga eri abo bonna abasobola okuvaayo ne bakwatizaako gavumenti mu mbeera eno.
I remember when we were in senior one, there was this novel which we studied, written by Charles Dickens, Hard Times. These are hard times. So we want to thank everybody who is joining hands with the government to make sure that together we fight this monster.
Ate ye omukiise w'ekitongole ky'ebyobulamu ekyensi yonna mu Uganda, Dr. Jonas Tegeni akubirizza abantu bonna wamu n'ebitongole okusitukiramu eri enteekateeka eno kubanga okulwanyisa ekirwadde kino kyetaagisa bumu kubanga nakyo tekisosola mu bekikwata.
This is one disease which requires total solidarity, commitment from everyone. It does not differentiate between leaders and displaced person or refugees or the urban or the rural poor. So everybody contributing to this is contributing to humanity, and they deserve to be thanked. And also to the media, who is also doing an effort, most of the media, into communicating the right message.
Wabula ye Ssaabawandiisi wa Uganda Red Cross Society Robert Kwesigwa asinzidde eno n'ajjukiza ensingo okubaawo kwa COVID-19 bwe kutajjeewo bizibu bigwa bitalaze birala era nga we twogerera bino waliwo ebitundu by'eggwanga ebimu ewali amataba wamu n'okubumbulukuka kw'ettaka ate nga n'enzige nazo weeziri.
Your Excellency and Right Honourable Minister, allow me to mention that COVID has not taken away the other emergencies and disasters in the country. As we speak now, we have started the rainy season, and some areas of the country are already beginning to experience floods and the likelihood of landslides. Those who listen to the news, you may have picked it. Kasese yesterday there were floods. In Toroko it is already affected. I'm told Nakasongora there is a problem. The areas around Lake Victoria are already flooding.
Oluvannyuma mu butongole bakwasizza minisita omubeezi ow'ebigwa bitalaze Henry Okero lyemwa reporter omuli enteekateeka eno etongozeddwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about now to symbolically hand over to the government of Uganda our appeal. And I just received a text message from Her Excellency Ellen Ostebo Johansson, the Norwegian ambassador to Uganda. They're contributing $2 million to the appeal as we start. So it's a nice way to conclude the launch. Thank you, Norway, being a friend of Uganda and a friend of the United Nations. So, Honorable Minister Oriem, on behalf of the United Nations team in Uganda, it is my particular honor to be able to hand over to you the United Nations Emergency Appeal.
Shafiru Mwesije yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS Television
for response to COVID-19 and its impact in Uganda.